To start the recipe off, put 1 can of black beans into a large mixing bowl. Then add 1 can of refried beans. I use Pinto beans, whatever you want to do. Next, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of salt and a little bit of pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, I use smoked, and 1.5 teaspoons of cumin. I didn't show you because I'm dumb, but yeah, put that in. A burrito is not complete without 1 gibby. Do not forget to put that in. There was some beans on the counter. I had to clean that up. It was really bothering me. Hey, you thought we were done. We're not done, fool. You gotta put corn in there. Now that the bean mixture is completed, make sure you sauteed some vegetables to go in. Just completes it. This was completely optional, but I made a sauce out of tahini and chipotle. You can use sour cream or whatever. Warm up or cook some rice. My dad approves. You can't have a burrito without tortillas, man. Now you're going to want to start layering the ingredients of your burrito. Start it with some rice. Bah, it's bean time. Get your vegetables ready because it's time to put them on. Salsa or hot sauce is optional, but Now is the time to plop on sauce, sour cream if you want to put that on. Ta-da! You're done! Bake your burritos on 350 and then broil them until crispy. If you're feeling up to it, try some hot sauce. It's delicious with burritos. And there you have it. That is my bean burrito recipe. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to make them, do it. It's delicious. I have one question. You kept looking at the bean, didn't you?